Hey people, so see, I'm sitting outside. Basically, as usual, it's another two set of rabbits I've got, two rabbits, and the thing is, I almost didn't pick up these rabbits, didn't bring these rabbits home, except that they looked so sad sitting in the shop. Yeah, like I mean, animals, though they are so tiny, they can sense, when the, an opportunity presents itself, or when they are being overlooked. I mean, I feel we humans, the one thing we have is the speech, which we tend to misuse all the time. But animals, I could sense that they were very hopeful, yeah, that I bring them home with me, and that's why I've brought them. But then again, with regard to rabbits, there's this whole thing of skin trouble, yeah. So that is something that is it's weighing on my mind. But otherwise, I'm so happy I brought these little souls home, and I'm sitting in the corridor so that they get to play, run about. So yeah, so I just thought I'll make this random video that I've it's been so long since I've made these tiny short little videos telling you all stuff about my own life. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.